Violet was definitely the best, and everybody agreed, except Rosie. Rosie was not a fast runner. She couldn't sing very much higher. She was not the loudest storyteller. She did not get fancy for picture A. But Rosie was tired about hearing about Rosie being the best. One morning, Mrs. Willis told class that each put their own plant. Violet was the most excited. Her plant would be the tallest. She was the best after all. The homework. The students made pots. Neat plants need nice places to grow. Violet's pot was the sparkliest. Rosie's wasn't. But it still seemed like a nice place to go. Mrs. Willis helped put the soil into the children's pots. What do seeds need to become plants? Plants need air. They definitely need soil. Don't forget the water. And especially sunshine.